So we actually spent 2 nights at Hong Kong Disneyland Explorers Lodge, but we didn't go to Disneyland Park. I know, crazy, right? There were so many fun things to do inside the hotel, and in this vlog, I'm going to show you all of it. I was so busy planning for our Disneyland trip. It was supposed to be part of my daughter's birthday celebration. I even researched the best route, the first ride to go on, and even considered getting early park entry. I even joined a bunch of Disneyland FB groups. And then, one day, my daughter looks at me and says, "Can we not go? We prefer Ocean Park. We want to see the animals." And I was like, "Wah! The hotel was already booked, but thankfully, we hadn't bought park tickets yet." A part of me was a little sad my plans weren't happening, but a bigger part of me was actually really happy because, hey, the kids aren't too into the hype. They just want what they truly enjoy. So yeah, we spent 2 nights at Explorers Lodge and we maximized our hotel stay. From the city, we took a bus headed to Disneyland and then hopped on the free shuttle to Explorers Lodge. The hotel lobby was huge and impressive. While we were lining up to check in, the kids got a photo with Goofy. No dull moments here. I love the design and the details of this hotel. Every corner felt intentional, like an adventure waiting to be discovered. We were assigned to room 5237. Here's a quick tour. 2 comfy beds, a clean bathroom, mini fridge, coffee machine, water dispenser, and a surprisingly lovely view. Pro tip, they gave us discount coupons you can use at Disneyland stores even if you're not entering the park. If you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. More travel hacks and family fun coming up. Now for our first meal, instant noodles and takeout we brought from the city. Budget tip, Disney food prices can be really steep, so this move saved us a lot. After a quick rest, we explored Nemo's Recreation Reef, the indoor play area. Then, we rode the shuttle to check out Hollywood Hotel. Their play area was cool as well. And yes, you can request their list of complimentary activities from the front desk. That evening, we were back at Nemo's for bedtime story time.
And his name is called Ward. And Ward said, "I know all the safety rules already."
Honestly, I think I could have told it better. The next morning, we walked 15 minutes to Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, the grandest of the 3. We splurged on breakfast here, but first, we grabbed their free activity list again. It's different per hotel and totally worth doing. We were too late for Tai Chi with Mickey, but not too late for games. We tried their hidden Mickey hunt. We also explored the Duffy and Friends maze. Breakfast buffet was amazing! So much to choose from, and Mickey and Pluto even dropped by our table.
Riders, show me the happy face. And look at my partner. Yay!
After breakfast, more fun, mini golf, the playground, and of course, the Storybook Playroom. Then, we joined the craft session and made a Linabell Frame right beside the play area. We also enjoyed their heated pool with slide.
Mayo, lie down na. Hands down. Ay, naka! You should lie down.
Mommy, walang spray niya under the water.
No need to bring floaters because they provide everything. Even the gym had a jacuzzi. Not bad for hotel guests, right? Before we left, we played one last game, the Easter egg hunt. The kids loved driving the little cars at the end.
You like it? Go.
Back at Explorer's Lodge, Mickey was in the lobby again. So, yep, photo time. After that PAX day, we all took a nap. That night, we stepped outside the Disney bubble and had dinner with some old family friends. When we returned, we explored the Disneyland park entrance. Even at night, it's magical and totally peaceful. Back in the room, Sky received a birthday card and a towel cake. So sweet, right? On our last day, we checked out early and left our luggage at the hotel's locker room.
Thank you for making my birthday fun, magical, and memorable.
But we weren't done yet. We returned to Hollywood Hotel to join their free Sporky Craft activity. The kids, of course, wanted more time at the play area too. Back at our own hotel, we did the Explorer's Game, a fun scavenger hunt around the resort. Then, we visited the Dreamer's Lookout for our final activity, crafting a cute turtle pen. And if you know this turtle's name, please comment below. Just before we left, we saw Donald Duck. One last character photo to end our trip. This trip was so memorable. We didn't go inside Disneyland Park, but honestly, we didn't feel like we missed out. We laughed, we played, we explored together, and that made it 100% worth it. If this helped you plan or rethink your own Disney stay, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you in the next one!